sis?
What do you want? I'm playing Roblox.
Oh, okay. Can I play with you?
No, I'm playing with my sugar daddy.
Y como andaba re feliz me puse a bailar cueca a lo choro tiki 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 taca taca ta teque teque 9 ratatata y me fui.
WHAT.
I meant with me friends, you're with me friends.
Okay.
Get out!
No. What are you playing?
Stop it. Aw. Finally.
Whoa, anyways, I'm going to play this Roblox game.
Downloads it.
Username, how about Peachy Big CH Low L1? Password. All done. Ooh, my avatar looks nice. Why is my hair a bacon? Anyways, I'm going to buy Robux on my birthday money.
2 hours later.
OMG, I look so pretty. I am going to join in this Dahud game.
Conche tu madre, ahora sí que estoy enojado. Me bajé enteros y cosiao, saqué mi call browning y los puse a lo maldito hasta.
Oh look, there's a friend group there. I'm going to ask them if I can join their friend group. Hello, may I join your friend group?
Yes. Why not Emily?
No. Baby, call me babe or baby grill. But fine, but don't flirt with her baby boy. And you don't you dare to touch or flirt doc and even look at my baby. Okay. So do you guys want to do a name and age reveal?
They all said yes. I'm first. So my name is Noah, and I'm 16 years old. My name is Mason, and I'm 16 years old.
My name is Zoe and I'm 15 years old. My name is Grace and I'm 15 years old. Yeah, so I meant my name is Emily and I'm 7. I meant 15 years old.
Suicide prevention, please hold.
Can I private chat with my baby?
Okay.
I think Grace is my sister.
But babe, does she have Roblox? I thought you said she doesn't has Roblox.
Maybe she download it, but how can she has Robux that quick? You know what, I changed my mind. I think she's not my sister anymore.
Let's go back to the group chat.
Okay.
Why did you guys took so long?
Oh, nothing. Okay. Hey Mason, can I talk to you private? No, you can't talk to my sugar daddy.
Okay babe, nothing.
I have to be there, but no buts at me or you can't talk to him in private. Fine, just chill. Sue, what are we talking about? I think just say it already.
Babe.
WHAT. Fine, I'll say it. So I like Mason. WHAT. He's my BF. I am not finished. So I like Noah. And I how to tell him that I like him. So Mason, can you tell me how to make him like me back? Girl, we just met.
Emily, the first time you saw me, you said you like me. And yes, I can help you, Grace. So he really wants a GF. That is, he's type, but I think you're he's type. So maybe he'll say he like you back. So nothing you need to worry about. Just tell him.
Okay, shall we go back to the group chat?
Yes, let's go. You guys took forever.
Sorry.
It's okay. So why did you guys took so long?
Oh, will I? Grace likes Sue. Emily. What? OMG. Tell her, Noah. Tell her.
Oh my god. I can't believe this. You like me. Will I like you back? You are exactly what I'm looking for.
OMG, OMG.
Grace, will you be my GF?
Please
say yes, pleases.
Yes. Congratulations.
Congrats. Emily, are you okay?
Emily, someone is jealous. No, I'm not jealous. I'm just surprised that an handsome man is dating ugly, crusty, musty, fat girl, I mean kid.
Conche tu madre, ahora sí que estoy enojado. Me bajé enteros y cosiao, saqué mi cole browning y los fusilé a lo maldito bastardo.
I'm okay. Why are you sad, Zoe? It's just that I'm the only one that doesn't have F here. It's okay, I'm sure we're going to find the perfect one for you.
Guys, I got to go, I have to eat lunch.
Knew my baby boy in a woo.
Sorry, bye.
Bye. No, don't go. Great. Hello.
Hi, do we know you?
No, but, Omo, who that?
Excuse me.
You're so hot. Hey, he's my boyfriend, so back off.
Oh, scary! Oh, shiver my timbers! Shut up, man!
No, so can I private chat with you?
No.
Okay, come on, I'll text you in a private chat, babe. WHAT no. Finally.
Screen's record.
So come on, I know you like me, just break up with her, you're mine.
No.
Please, is you don't want to say no for this cute face, right?
Me think about it.
Okay, babe.
No.
What?
Wait, just give me a second, I'll come back to you.
Okay, babe.
Conche tu madre, ahora sí que estoy enojado. Me bajé enteros y cosiao, saqué mi cole browning y los fusilé a lo maldito bastardo.
What should I do? Hey guys, I'm back.
So.
Send screen recording.
Almol.
So I got a plan.
What is it?
So I'll pretend I'm cheating on you with that girl, and then I'll break up with her.
Oh, that's it.
Yes, why?
That's kinda boring. I'm thinking you break up with Grace and go with that girl, then kill her and then go with Grace again. Well, no.
Let's stay with my idea.
Okay, but I still think my idea is better.
Okay, so I will chat with you guys tomorrow?
Okay, bye.
Bye. Back.
Oh, what took you so long?
Oh, nothing, but I think I like you.
Oh my god, I like you too.
Will you be me GF?
Yes, baby. Let's kiss.
Let's not take it too far, babe.
Okay, baby boy.
What your name?
Sophia, how about you, babe?
Noah.
Okay, babe. Wait, does Grace know about this, babe? Babe?
No, she doesn't know about this.
Good, do you want to play Vibe Place, babe?
Actually, sleep. It's to am.
Oh, okay, babe, wait, do you want to sleep with Malik on my house?
I'm sleeping on my friend's house, yeah.
Oh, okay, good night, babe.
Good night.
The next day.
Whoa, that girl is crazy.
We know, baby.
I wish I was there. Hey guys.
Hello, Noah. Saw what happened.
She wanted to kiss me, but I said no.
That's stupid.
And she wanted me to sleep with her.
What? Ha ha ha. If she got my Bobo Bear, I would kill her.
Oh, scary! Oh, shiver my timbers! Shut up, man!
Add her, I want to see her. Okay. Her name is Sophia.
Noah adds Sophia.
Hi, babe, I mean Noah.
Hi.
Who is this guy?
My friend.
Do you guys have Snapchat? They all say yes. Add me. I'm Zoe Luvuaji, hehe 22. Added. Same.
Me too. Me 3.
Accidentally puts voicemail. This is going as planned. They don't know that I'm 7Y or O. They all gasp. Oh, Sophia.
Kick her.
No, wait, I'll tell you guys the truth. So I don't like Noah anymore. I like and Mason.
What?
Oh no.
R.I.P. Sophia.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Maui. This just never ends.
She's really dead. Oh my god, this keeps going forever.
Suicide prevention, please hold.
And that's it. Or maybe not.
Rip.
I'm back, besties. Is she dead? No.
Oh.
She's more than dead. TF girl. Oh, I eat dinner. You're copying me. Stop it. Anyways, bye guys.
Bye.
Hey mom and dad.
Hey sweetie.
Mom, Dad, I beat a kid in Roblox.
Huh?
So I am going to celebrate by singing.
No, please.
I don't really care about what they say. I'ma come back like a boomerang.
Emily.
W-H-A-D, Dad. I was singing.
Eat your food or it will be cold.
Fine, what is it anyways?
Pasta. Here you go. Eat up.
You mommy.
R.I.P. Emily. Yum, that was good. I'm going to my room. What should I play? Oh look, there's Mason. I'm going to talk to him. Hey Mason, is there something wrong?
No, I mean yes. Wait, no, I mean no.
Are you sure?
Yes, now leave me alone.
No, I will stop.
Go now.
Okay. Weirdo, look, I see Zoe. I'm going to ask what's up with Mason. Hey Zoe, what's up? Leave me alone. What's up with you and Mason today? Ugh. What's going on? I'm going to call Noah.
Calling Noah.
Yes, he picked up. Hey Noah.
Hi Grace, is there something wrong?
Why Zoe and Mason is upset? Is there something wrong?
I have no idea they were upset when I went to them.
Wait, join me in Roblox.
Why?
Just shut up and join already.
Y como andaba re feliz me puse a bailar cueca a lo choro tiki 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 taca taca ta teque teque 9 ratatata y me fui.
Okay.
Join me.
I am joining. So?
Okay, so. OMG, ITS them.
Sorry, what?
Don't pretend you don't know WHAT happened. What is it? Fine, just go to Xienta YouTube.
Okay.
Clowns, thank you, bye. Let's go to his or she YouTube.
I can't find it.
OMG, what did you write?
Zianta.
Dummy, she said Xienta.
Oh, thank you. Found it.
Wait, let's see this video exposing mean Paul.
3,
2,
1,
go.
OMG.
What?
That's us.
We didn't drown a baby.
WHO would do that.
Y como andaba re feliz me puse a bailar cueca a lo choro tiki 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 taca taca ta teque teque 9 ratatata y me fui.
Wait, so Sophia did that to us.
Why's Emily literally almost killed her?
Wait, that person is famous. Wait, that's Emily, brother.
I'm going to text her.
Okay.
Hey Sophia.
What do you want?
Delete that video.
Why?
Because we didn't drone a baby.
It got 200,000 views, so why would my brother delete it?
And why did you do me and Grace like Emily literally almost killed you?
Maybe I hate you and Grace, Emily. Mason and Zoe, I like them more than you guys, so bye.